Medical research reveals a shocking truth about your digestive system. 7 out of 10 people are carrying up to 4 pounds of toxic intestinal waste right now. This accumulated residue forms hardened crusts along intestinal walls. These deposits release dangerous toxins directly into your bloodstream daily. Most people have no idea this toxic buildup exists inside them. The symptoms get blamed on aging or stress instead. Your intestines should completely empty during bathroom visits, but incomplete elimination leaves residue behind every single day. This waste hardens over weeks and months gradually. The toxic crust releases harmful substances continuously throughout your body. These toxins affect every organ and system negatively. Your brain, mood, energy, and skin all suffer silently. The warning signs appear slowly and seem unrelated initially. Persistent bloating makes clothing feel uncomfortably tight daily. Indigestion occurs even with simple, familiar foods. Unexplained fatigue drains energy despite adequate sleep. Mood swings and irritability strain relationships without obvious cause. Frequent headaches resist typical pain relief methods completely. Skin problems emerge seemingly from nowhere suddenly. These external signs reflect serious internal contamination. Scientific discoveries reveal the gut-brain connection's importance. Your intestines function as a second brain, literally. This digestive system produces 95% of serotonin. Serotonin controls well-being, relaxation, and happiness directly. Quality sleep depends on adequate serotonin production nightly. Toxic intestinal buildup disrupts this crucial hormone creation. Depression and anxiety increase without apparent reason. Medical imaging shows shocking intestinal conditions in most adults. Hardened fecal matter creates actual crusts inside intestines. Small balls of compacted waste lodge in intestinal pockets. These deposits become rock hard over months and years. Normal bowel movements cannot dislodge these ancient accumulations. The toxic load increases daily without proper cleansing. Tonight's bedtime routine could transform your intestinal health completely. Simple drinks and practices trigger powerful cleansing overnight. Your body performs natural detoxification during sleep hours. Supporting this process amplifies waste elimination dramatically. Tomorrow morning's bathroom visit could release accumulated toxins. These methods work gently but effectively when used consistently. The first powerful solution involves strategic hydration timing. Warm water before bed performs multiple cleansing functions. Heat relaxes intestinal muscles and loosens hardened waste. The temperature activates natural peristalsis movements gently. This simple practice softens rock-hard deposits gradually. Many people eliminate years-old waste using this method. Drinking warm water specifically 30 minutes before sleep works best. The timing allows water to reach your intestines properly. 8 to 12 ounces provides adequate hydration without disrupting sleep. The warmth should feel comfortable, not scalding hot. Room temperature water doesn't provide the same benefits. This temperature difference triggers important physiological responses. Dehydration causes waste to harden and stick inside intestines. Most people don't drink enough water throughout the day. Coffee and alcohol actually worsen dehydration significantly. By bedtime, intestinal contents have become dangerously dry. Warm water rehydrates this material for easier elimination. The morning bathroom visit becomes more complete and satisfying. The second solution involves powerful flaxseed preparations nightly. Flax seeds contain exceptional amounts of soluble and insoluble fiber. These fibers work differently but complement each other perfectly. Soluble fiber forms gel-like substances that trap toxins. Insoluble fiber sweeps intestinal walls clean mechanically. Together they provide comprehensive intestinal cleansing action. Ground flax seeds mixed in warm water create natural laxative effects. 2 tablespoons and 8 ounces of warm water works effectively. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes before drinking. The seeds expand and become gelatinous during this time. This gel coats intestinal walls and softens deposits. Drinking this mixture nightly produces remarkable results. Whole flax seeds can be used for gentler effects. Soak 1 tablespoon in water for several hours. Drink the entire mixture including seeds before bed. The seeds continue absorbing water inside your intestines. This expansion helps push waste through more effectively. Many people prefer this method for sustainable daily use. The third cleansing method uses fresh lemon water strategically. Lemons stimulate bile production in your liver powerfully. Bile acts as natural intestinal lubricant and cleanser. Increased bile flow dissolves fatty deposits and toxins. The citric acid helps break down hardened waste. Lemon water creates multiple cleansing actions simultaneously. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into warm water nightly. The combination amplifies individual benefits of each component. Warm water relaxes while lemon stimulates cleansing. Add a pinch of sea salt for electrolyte support. This mixture should be consumed 20 minutes before bed. The timing ensures maximum overnight cleansing activity. Lemons provide crucial electrolytes, including magnesium and potassium. These minerals trigger intestinal muscle contractions naturally. Without adequate electrolytes, intestines cannot move waste effectively. Many constipation cases result from simple mineral deficiencies. Nightly lemon water addresses multiple digestive issues simultaneously. The results often appear within days of starting. The fourth powerful combination involves olive oil with chia seeds. Extra virgin olive oil lubricates the entire digestive tract. This natural lubricant helps waste slide through easily. Olive oil also stimulates gentle intestinal contractions. The omega-9 fatty acids reduce intestinal inflammation significantly. Inflammation often causes constipation and incomplete elimination. 1 tablespoon of olive oil taken nightly provides these benefits. Combine it with pre-soaked chia seeds for amplified effects. Chia seeds must soak in water for 20 minutes first. They expand up to 12 times their original size. This expansion creates bulk that pushes waste through intestines. Chia seeds form a unique gel-like coating when soaked. This gel grabs onto toxic deposits and waste. The combination with olive oil creates powerful cleansing action. Take this mixture 1 hour before bedtime consistently. Many people report eliminating old, dark waste within days. The omega-3 fatty acids provide additional anti-inflammatory benefits. The fifth essential element involves specific movement and positioning. Gentle twisting exercises before bed stimulate intestinal movement. These movements massage internal organs and promote elimination. 5 minutes of simple twists can make dramatic differences. The physical pressure helps dislodge stuck waste naturally. No equipment or special skills are required. Lying on your left side after drinking cleansing beverages helps. This position uses gravity to assist waste movement. The anatomical structure of intestines favors left side positioning. Stay in this position for 10 minutes minimum. Many people fall asleep this way and wake ready to eliminate. This simple positioning trick enhances all other methods. Walking for just 10 minutes after dinner aids digestion. Movement prevents food from stagnating in your system. The gentle motion stimulates natural intestinal rhythms. Evening walks also reduce stress that inhibits digestion. This combination of benefits supports complete elimination. Regular walking can prevent future waste accumulation. The sixth crucial factor involves proper food timing and selection. Stop eating 3 hours before bedtime minimum. This fasting period allows digestion to complete properly. Late-night eating overwhelms your digestive system significantly. Undigested food ferments and creates toxic byproducts. These toxins add to existing intestinal burden. Avoid processed foods, dairy, and gluten in evening meals. These foods create sticky residues inside intestines. They feed harmful bacteria that produce toxic waste. Choose easily digestible foods for dinner instead. Steamed vegetables, clear soups, and simple proteins work best. These foods support rather than burden digestion. Fermented foods can help if consumed earlier in the day. Sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir provide beneficial bacteria. These bacteria help break down waste and toxins. But avoid them within 4 hours of bedtime. They can cause gas and bloating that disrupts sleep. Timing matters as much as food selection. The seventh overlooked element involves stress and emotional factors. Stress directly inhibits digestive function and elimination. Cortisol and adrenaline shut down intestinal movement. Chronic stress leads to chronic constipation inevitably. Many people carry emotional tension in their abdomen. This physical tension prevents proper waste elimination. Deep breathing exercises before bed reduce digestive stress. 5 minutes of belly breathing relaxes intestinal muscles. This relaxation allows natural elimination processes to function. Meditation or calming music enhances these effects further. Creating a peaceful bedtime routine supports digestive health. Emotional release often triggers physical release subsequently. Journaling before bed can release mental and digestive blockages. Writing down worries clears mental constipation symbolically. Many people experience immediate bathroom urges after journaling. The mind-body connection influences elimination more than realized. Addressing emotional constipation helps resolve physical constipation. Consistency with these methods matters more than perfection. Choose 2 or 3 techniques that resonate with you. Practice them nightly for at least 2 weeks. Your body needs time to release years of accumulation. Some people eliminate surprising amounts of old waste. Dark, tar-like material often appears during initial cleansing. Don't become alarmed by unusual elimination initially. Your body is finally releasing dangerous toxic buildup. Colors, textures, and amounts may seem concerning. This represents successful cleansing, not new problems. Continue the practices until elimination normalizes completely. Most people achieve regular, complete elimination within weeks. Monitor your symptoms as intestinal cleansing progresses. Bloating should decrease noticeably within days. Energy levels increase as toxic burden reduces. Skin clarity improves without changing skincare routines. Mood stabilizes and anxiety decreases naturally. Headaches become less frequent and severe. Sleep quality improves as serotonin production normalizes. Mental clarity returns as brain fog lifts. Concentration and memory function enhance noticeably. These improvements confirm successful toxin elimination. Your entire body functions better without toxic interference. The benefits extend far beyond digestive health. Some people need stronger natural interventions initially. Magnesium citrate provides powerful but gentle cleansing. Probiotics help reestablish healthy intestinal bacteria. Digestive enzymes assist in breaking down accumulated waste. These supplements accelerate the cleansing process safely. Always start with gentle methods before trying stronger approaches. Prevention becomes easy once your intestines are clean. Daily warm water maintains healthy elimination patterns. Regular fiber intake prevents future accumulation. Stress management keeps digestion functioning optimally. These simple habits prevent toxic buildup permanently. Your body maintains its own cleansing naturally. Understanding the science helps motivation for change. Intestinal walls absorb nutrients and water continuously. Toxic crusts block this absorption significantly. Malnutrition can occur despite eating well. The body starves while toxins accumulate simultaneously. This explains unexplained weight gain and fatigue. Your immune system resides primarily in your gut. 70% of immune cells live there. Toxic buildup weakens immune function dramatically. Frequent illnesses indicate compromised intestinal health. Cleansing restores immune system strength naturally. Many people stop getting sick after cleansing. Share this information with others suffering silently. Many people accept digestive problems as normal. They don't realize solutions exist for their symptoms. Your experience could help someone achieve digestive freedom. Together we can address this hidden health crisis. Your intestinal health determines overall wellness significantly. Those 4 pounds of toxic waste affect everything. Energy, mood, skin, and brain function all suffer. Tonight's bedtime routine could begin transformation. Tomorrow morning might bring surprising elimination. Start your intestinal cleansing journey immediately. Type "ready" if you're starting these cleansing methods tonight. Share which symptoms you've been experiencing below. Your comments help others recognize their toxic burden. Digestive health is achievable for everyone. Take control of your intestinal wellness now.